Only what has happened in Elcid Investment share that it has surged from 3.5 rupees to 2.36 lakh rupees. Hi everyone, welcome to FiSC CAPITAL. A lot of investors were asking me to tell about some shares like Elcid Investment which can make them a millionaire in a night. Here are two shares for you, Tapadia Bulls and Saga Soya Products. So check them out and try to buy them. If you are unable to buy them, please come back to complete this video because this is just the beginning of the story. So now let's focus on Elcid Investment. So the news is that Elcid Investment share has increased in price from 3.5 rupees to 2.36 lakh rupees in a single session of trading. Now, if you are regularly investing in the stock market, you'll know that there are upper circuit and lower circuit rules which doesn't allow any company to trade more than 20 or 30% in a single trading shares from their last day price. So then how this happened that one day share price is giving you so much jump? This kind of sessions are called a special price discovery session. There are many shares in the stock market which are way below their intrinsic value. SEBI has also identified such shares. One of them was Elcid Investment. And for these shares, because the intrinsic value was so high, there wasn't any investor who was holding this share who was willing to sell the shares at a lower price like 2 rupees, 3 rupees, 10 rupees. And that's why we were rarely seeing any person selling these shares, and that's why the shares are not getting traded in the stock exchange. SEBI has directed Bombay Stock Exchange and National Stock Exchange to identify such shares with very low liquidity and conduct special price discovery options on specific dates. These dates are not generally known, but exchanges mentioned this to the investor 14 days before conducting options. They did the same with Elcid Investment also. So it's not like you were not aware of it. You just didn't pay heed to it because you don't know about such kind of investment opportunities. Now, here I am explaining how the price is increased from 3.5 rupees to 2.36 lakh. So in such session, there is no upper circuit, lower circuit limit. So an investor can put a buy order or sell order at any price of his desire. Same thing happened in Elcid Investment where one buyer selected a price up to like 36,000 per share to buy the shares. At the same time, there was another seller who had this share and was ready to sell the share at 36,000. So at this point, the price bid and seller's ask was matched and exchange traded this share from the seller to the buyer. If you was thinking that in one day, just one day the person got so rich, that wasn't the case. The share was held at this level since 2011. So the investor had the patience to hold the share for 13 years and then he decided to sell. So no such growth come in a single day. That's one thing which you have to understand. Therefore, even if you buy some share like this today, although it's very difficult to get hold of this share, but if you are lucky to get one share similar to this, then also you can't say that in 1-2 months you are going to get so rich. You have to wait for a long time and then only you will be able to actually get some benefit out of it. So that's one thing which we all have to understand, that patience is the key. Now talking about the benefit or losses buyer or seller had in this scenario. So basically both were in profit, on both had some gain. The seller was holding the share for 3.5 rupees for so long. So he got a very good opportunity and he sold. So he got a lot of gains on selling the share. The buyer actually did with that better research and realized that the book value of company is around 5.5 lakh. So 2.36 lakh rupees share is actually 14% of the book value of the company. And therefore, it's worth buying. Hence, both buyers and sellers are in benefit to buy this share. But this requires a lot of skills and knowledge of valuation to actually trade such shares. If you don't have any such expertise, then look for FiSC CAPITAL or join some other investment advisor or research analyst who can guide you towards this opportunity. For more analysis and knowledge like this, don't forget to subscribe to FiSC CAPITAL channel. Thank you very much.